Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you're watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. Those who are new here, I post videos about lifestyle in Sweden and practical information about Sweden, and I have posted a lot of useful videos on my channel. For those who are new in Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden, today's video is very different because I'm showing you the prices of different Apple products, because those who are student and planning to buy their laptop in their country, might be these videos will help you to make your decision. I have already posted a videos about MacBook prices in Sweden and also about iPhone prices in Sweden. This video is going to show you what are the price level for um, iWatch, Apple Watch in the iWatch. So I'm a very big Android user, but I am doing it because I know many students use Apple products here in Sweden, and you get discounts, student discounts also on Apple products if you buy as a student. But let's jump into the video topic fast. And here is Ushna has done the nice colors on my nails. I didn't get the time to remove it, and I think it looks nice. So let's go to the watch. So this is an Apple official website. They have recently launched M1 chip based MacBooks, which are really cool. But go and check that out. And also now we go into the Apple Watch area. So if you see the Apple Watch, Apple has a Series 6, Watch SE, Series 3, Nike, Harman's, and also some other accessories. We start with the latest one, and this is a Series 6 Apple Watch. I don't know how much does it cost in your country, but here if we see in Sweden, and if we go to the buy button, you can see that you can buy Apple Series 6 in different variants, all the way from 595 for 5095, 4495, 7695, and then it goes up to 8000. So these are the prices for different Apple Watch Series 6, and mostly the difference is different size of the band and different style of the band. So if you go back to, if you filter it and you want to, let's say this let's say you want Apple Watch. No, we go back to this section again where we have easy to select. Then you go to Apple SE, and if you buy, you end up Apple SE, which is from 3,195 to go, and it's pretty much the same. It maximum goes up to 3,795. Then so I'm just showing you the prices, no specs, nothing. I'm just showing you the price level here in Sweden, and that you can compare with your country. Apple Watch Series 3, and here if we go to the buy section, you will find a video. You will find it is from 2,295 from to, yeah, that is all. So Series 3 is the cheapest one up till now. And then we look at the Nike version, and here it is for 4,495, and this is more of a sporty model, sports look. Then we go to the Harman's, and here we have a little bit fashion oriented, and it's really nice actually, very nice. So we go to the buy button here, and this is with Series 6, 16,295. Wow. Yeah, so 14,095, 17,095. Oh, what is it? Wow, Apple has become extremely expensive actually. So Guys, this is a very quick video about the price level. How much does it cost to buy Apple Watch here in Sweden? And you can leave in the comments below from which country you are and what price level in your country, and which Apple Watch you are using. I'm actually using a Samsung watch because I'm on the Android side of the technology, mobile technology, but I've been using Apple products for so many years. I'm still using my iPad because in that category there is no match. iPad is the best. Uh, Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button. I go online live, take your questions live, answer those. I read your comments live and answer those comments. So please leave your questions in the comments also, and help me grow this channel. Pray for me and take care, and Allah Hafiz.